Welcome to Authentic Science Video 20. Predict Corona cases by SIR model. Here we have studied number of Corona cases in Kerala from March 20 to May 8th. And using this data, we are predicting the number of probable cases till July 20. Now what is the need of prediction? We can be prepared with adequate hospital beds, doctors, staff and medicines. Authorities can decide the extension of lockdown. They can plan regarding the different economic activities and government policies before itself. Here we are using compartment method and we assume that the total population is a constant and all the borders of the area that we considered for study should be closed. There are mainly two types of compartment method. One is deterministic method and the other one is stochastic method. The deterministic method is based on differential equation and the stochastic method is based on probability distribution. The SIR type comes under deterministic method. The full form of SIR is number of susceptible, infected and removed cases at a particular point of time. The removed cases includes recovered and death cases. Susceptible plus infected plus removed cases gives the total population N, which is a constant. As shown in the figure, the number of susceptible cases decreases and the number of infected cases increases with the time. As per the equation given below, the susceptible rate ds by dt is proportional to S and I. The negative sign indicates that the number of susceptibles are decreasing with time. As per the equation given below, the recovery rate dr by dt is proportional to I. And gamma is a fraction of infected cases removed by recovery and death. As shown in the first equation, infected rate is the difference between susceptible rate and recovery rate. Next step is we have to solve the three differential equations. For that, initial conditions S0, I0, R0 are taken. And then we have to eliminate the IT from differential equation 1 and differential equation 2. And then we get the result that is shown in the next equation given below. What happens at an infinite time? There will be only susceptible and removed cases left. There won't be any infected cases. And the equation has to be modified from RT to R alpha as given below. We have solved the equations, but we don't know beta and gamma. We have to derive beta and gamma from the initial data available. With the help of MATLAB, we have to find beta and gamma by minimizing the error. We have taken COVID-19 case data from Kerala between March 20 to May 8 for this study. As per the SIR method, we should have only 584 cases by July 20. But the cases have already gone up to 690 on May 21st. This may be due to the return of non-residential Keralites from outside, which is definitely a violation of the compartment law. Thank you.